Hello everyone. Around 8 lakh people have left the Kathmandu Valley in Kathmandu, Nepal over the past week to return to their hometowns. They are traveling to vote in the country national election tomorrow. Kathmandu is the most populated region in Nepal. Many people live there for work, for their education. But according to the Nepal's law, citizens must should vote in the place where they are officially registered, which is officially their hometown. Because of this rule, many people have to travel long distances to vote. Photos from the capital show large crowds on the highway. The roads are filled with jeeps, minibuses, and vans carrying voters back home. Traffic authorities said that there are long traffic jams in the weekend as thousands of people tried to leave the country. One voter, Champagne, said his single vote might not decide the election result, but this is still important. He said voting helps protect the country constitution and democracy. However, not everyone feels excited about the election. An eye doctor named Rabindra Singh Thakuri said many of his friends prefer traditional politics party. The election will choose 257 members of parliament. About 165 members will be elected directly, while the rest will be chosen through a proportional representation team. Excitingly, near one-third of the 3,400 candidates are under age of 40, showing many young people are entering the politics. To help the voting process run smoothly, Nepal Election Commission has stopped most public and private transport from the Wednesday until the voting of the end. Thursday, however, the flights will continue. The government has also declared 3 public holidays for the election for the Festival of Colors Holi. One of the most closely watched races will take place in Chapa 5. This area is known as the stronghold of former Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. He is trying to win the seat again after stepping down last year. Following protests, there is the latest update on the Nepal elections. Thank you.